So we're getting more information about the agenda of former Cricket West Indies Board President Dave Cameron in his quest to become the chairman of the world governing body, the ICC. There is talk of T20 cricket becoming the driving force for the globalization of the game. Mr. Cameron is making the case that T20 cricket is more competitive amongst the majority of the member nations and remains much more lucrative than traditional test cricket, and that capitalizing on the popularity of the worldwide T20 leagues could be a vehicle to expand the game into substantial markets such as the USA and China. Now, essential to Mr. Cameron's proposal is an acceptance that Test cricket is dying and that T20 is the format of the future. Now, I think Dave Cameron is on point with his vision for world cricket. A lot of the purists within the establishment are busy trying to rescue and revive Test cricket without even accepting that it is dying. Some of them don't even regard T20 cricket as cricket. Now, that is the challenge that Mr. Cameron will be facing on this journey. Personally, I would not hold his arrogance and interpersonal deficiencies against him. And Dave Cameron would definitely get my vote for ICC chairman. But guess what? Guess what? Maverick. Now no vote.